Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller part-time. Have been doing it for many years, and I am going to be doing an opening of a ThredUP DIY designer box today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of that. The DIY designer box is a rescue box by ThredUP, and as probably a lot of you know, and I love, they're really my favorite. They're kind of like the one that I'm always excited to open, even though the other boxes can be good. The designer designer DIY ones are so good. They've been pretty good recently, and I'm super excited today because the one that I got today, the one that I have to open today, is from Suwanee, Georgia. The last few I've gotten have been from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and they've been really good. So it's always good to see different things too. So anyway, I'm going to be opening this box, and let's get to it. Let's just get to it. Like I said, it's from Suwanee, Georgia, and yeah, they've taped it up nicely here. I really hope it is the designer box, because the sad thing is you don't always know exactly what box it is. You have to track back and look at the tracking code and match it up with the order number. It doesn't go into your orders of ThredUP like other orders would, where you can just see the tracking number with the orders. So at least that's my experience. I'd love to hear about you and what happens with you. But anyway, okay, so here it is. It's a smaller box. I mean, I really want, don't we all want handbags? Handbags, shoes, mainly handbags. I love handbags and accessories more than anything. But anyway, it's not that light though. It's fairly decent weight in there. So, ooh, you know what? Everybody I know that opens these, I think we all wish for a unicorn. Like, could we get that really cool Chanel bag or whatever? And I have gotten some cool stuff in these, and others have too. So what do we have today? I hope it's not, all luxe brands and no actual designer. So that is part of the fun though, really, isn't it? All right, here is the packing slip. I'm just going to make sure we have what we think we have here. Yep, 7-piece designer box, $140 plus tax and shipping. And for me, it comes out to about $150, so a little more than $20 per item. Here is the box. They have it nicely packaged. I love that. All right, you can't really see much on top. 2 clothing items. All right. This top one almost looks like a men's item, but let's just have a look and see. Okay, Versace collection. It's a Versace shirt. It's a Versace polo shirt. I don't know if it's men's or women's. My nose itches. I don't know if it's men's or women's, but it looks like men's, if you ask me. That looks like a men's polo shirt. It doesn't say the size, so let me just look and see if I can find the size. It's a really, really, I love the pattern on this. It's super soft. If my son sees this, oh no, I was going to say if my son sees this, he'll probably want to keep it, but no, this is a size XL. This will not fit him. And I don't know if it's men's or women's. I feel like it is too small to be a men's XL, but anyway, I'm going to look this up and see. And I'm going to give you, let's see, a little view of the tag. Versace collection. And there must be something wrong with, no. I don't see, is there a button missing? No, there's no button missing. I don't see any stains. Sometimes I hope it is stains, to be honest, because I'm very good at getting stains out. When you've had many, many years of experience doing laundry, you kind of figure it out, especially when you want to save nice items that have gotten marks on them. Anyway, so this Versace one, yeah, I love Versace collection. Versace sells, and that's great. What's next? What? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okie dokie. Oh my gosh. Okay. Costume National. Never got that brand before. Costume National. I'm having problems today, aren't I? Okay. Here's a pair of pants. Black pants. And I mean, they're brand new with tags. Look at this. This is crazy. Let's see. Yeah, show you the tag there. Costume National. And I am going to also, let's see, look inside here and show you the tag inside. So that is, that's these pants. They're just black pants. There's like this, and then I think they're flat front. Are they flat front? They've got pockets, and they're just kind of like straight leg. You know, they're not skinnies, they're not flares, they're not, they've just got kind of a straight leg. They're size 44, which I believe equals out to about a size 6. But I'll put that on the screen before I post the video. But brand new with tags pants, and I know Costume National is not cheap. It's a good brand. They feel like they're all cotton, and I'm just going to look and see here. 98% cotton, 2% spandex. So, yeah, they're nice pants. They're not, you know, they don't have some crazy pattern or anything. They're just black. So, all right, pretty happy with that. Brand new with tags in a DIY box. Heck yeah, I'll take it. Okay, I know the next one is, it appears, oh my gosh. It appears to have, I'm just a little bit too crazy about these boxes, I tell you. Okay, it appears to be Burberry, and it is Burberry, London. It's a coat. It is gorgeous. I think it's a little bit longer. It's probably a little bit below the hips. It probably goes above below the hips. It's a USA size 6, and it's Burberry, and it's got the Novacek pattern here on the inside of the collar. It's a really pretty jacket. Wow, is it ever nice. And I don't see anything wrong with it offhand. I'm just going to make sure that the zipper works. Let's see. The zipper works. All the snaps are there. Is there a tear? No. No, I won't see a tear. Actually, this thing seems like it has almost no wear. Like, at least it has very, very little wear. It looks like there's a... sorry about that. Okay. It looks like the hood can be zipped off, which if you're in Minnesota or anywhere cold, you know that's handy because there's times of year when you want the hood available, and then there's times of year you're like, this thing's getting in the way. So, okay, here is, I'm super happy with this box. Oh my gosh, I'm super happy with this box. There's the Burberry tag, and then here's the other size tag. I'm trying to get so you can see it. It's probably too little. No, maybe you can see it. Let's see. Okay, so anyway, that is, and then you can see this. The inside is warm. You get an up close view of that. It looks like a really warm coat. It is a great. I can only imagine how much this costs. There's a pleat in the back, and the inside does have. I'm going to open it up so you can see the liner of this. Okay, there is some check pattern in there. I think at the bottom. Yeah, at the bottom there's also a little bit on the inside. So, a Burberry jacket? Are you kidding? Yay, how exciting. How exciting. Okay, really happy so far. What do we have? 1, 2, 3. You know, it's like a show you just don't want to end. Oh my God, I'm saving that one for last. I'm saving it for last. All right, here's the 4th item. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's another brand new with tags, and it's Dolce & Gabbana. And it is the tiny. It is tiny. And what size is it? It's a bra. And here's the tag with the holographic logo on there. You can see it. Can I see it? God, it can't be more than a 32A. 32AA maybe, I'm guessing. It doesn't say. Okay. What in the world size is this? 34B. 34B. So, Dolce & Gabbana 34B. It's got light padding. It's kind of like a t-shirt bra. I would consider this a t-shirt bra. It does have underwire. And, yeah, it's just kind of like a, what's that material? Anyway, it's really soft, cottony material. It's kind of got some structure here to it. So, 34B, brand new with tags. Oh my God. And there's 3 more items. I can't take it. Honest to God. This is, oh wow. Oh, of course they gave me gorgeous shoes that I love in my size. What? What? Don't do that to me, ThredUP. Okay, no, do it. I'm just kidding. Do it. Look at these absolute beauties. Look at these. I don't know what they're doing with their boxes, but this is the best one I've ever gotten. The condition of these items, are you kidding? I can't believe it. Honest to God, look at these. I don't see, okay, the toes do show a little bit of wear to them, but not bad. I can't believe they wouldn't accept these. These are in great condition. Okay, I'm going to show you each one. The heel has some nicks, but not the kind of nicks where the leather's coming off. You know what I mean? Look at the bottom. They're a size 38. These shoes are total. If these fit me, I have to keep them. It's kind of a requirement. These are so gorgeous. Look at this. Look at the cloth. The upper is cloth. You know, it's a cloth upper, and then it's this beautiful leather lining. They look excellent. I mean, they don't look like they've been worn more than once or twice. I can't take it. Honest to God. Giorgio Armani. Absolutely insanely gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm having a good day. Okay, two more things. Which one to show you first? I'll show you this one first. Okay. We have got a Freda Salvador. I don't know what it is. It's in this bag. What are we going to have? Freda Salvador. I don't know that name. The tag looks a little dirty, but okay. Let's open her up and see what we have. What in the world? Freda Salvador. What are they? Ah! Freda Salvador slippers. They look brand new. Wow. They're suede with a shearling lining. And let me just tell you, these things they've not been used. Are you kidding? I can't believe this. Thank you, ThredUP. Oh my gosh, thank you. Look at these suede. They're so gorgeous. Like, I don't even wear slippers. Okay, I live in Minnesota, but these slippers are too warm for me, even when it's 20 below zero. Anyway, you know, because I have heat in my house. But anyway, Freda Salvador. I don't know that name. Something tells me it's very expensive. And these are so gorgeous. They are gorgeous. They're brand new. It doesn't look like there's any wear. As you can see, the little place keepers are in there, so they kept their shape. Now, what size are they is a whole nother story. Let's see. Let's see if I can. 7-8. They're size 7-8. That's what it says on the little tag. They smell a little musty, is the only thing. Just a little, not terrible. I'm very sensitive to that, so anyway. All right. Okay, you ready for the last one? Oh, that's the best part of the box. Woo-woo, Gucci. But I don't know what it is, but it looks like a pair of glasses. If it's a nice pair of sunglasses, I've been waiting for a pair of nice, oh my heavens. Ooh. Look at these. Okay, I can't, I have been waiting. Could I have gotten any luckier today? What do you think? I might have to keep these. I can't really see myself getting rid of these. Look at they're almost the same shape as the ones I have on, just a little tiny bit smaller. Okay, they are Gucci, and I mean, they're just sunglasses made in Italy. They're gorgeous. Are there any scratches? They need to be cleaned, which not a problem, but they come in this Gucci case with the Gucci cloth. Oh my gosh. They're gorgeous. And look at the sides. I'm not a big sunglass wearer. I don't know why, but I don't know. Oh, I didn't even show you the best part, the little logo at the sides. I can't take it, honest to God. This was a great box. I'm so excited that I opened it up today on a Monday. Sometimes you need a little oomph, you know, in your Monday. So, okay, so here is the shoes. I showed you the glasses already. The shoes are gorgeous. The slippers, the black slippers, Freda Salvador slippers. And this brand new with tags, Dolce Gabbana bra, like a t-shirt bra. The Burberry winter jacket, which I love. It's amazing. And there's not a single thing in this box that I don't love, okay? There is not a single thing I don't love. I can't take it, honestly. Costume National pants. These black pants. And then last but not least, this Versace collection size extra large polo shirt, which I think is men's, but I'll find out. So I am over the top happy with this box. I hope you liked it as much as I have. I love it when I get a good box like this. It just makes my day. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments below. If you like my if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do get notifications. One more thing I wanted to say is June 22nd, coming up soon. I'm in a purse collab and I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a ThredUP name brand handbag unboxing, and some other really wonderful women are going to be in it with me, 9 total creators, and it's this Saturday. It's June 22nd, so this coming Saturday. So be sure to tune into that, and I'm also doing a really cool giveaway during that video for my 500 subscriber giveaway. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.